So you've made the decision to replace your windows. Now you have a lot of concerns: cost, energy efficiency, durability, and security. Let's go over each one of these so you know what to ask, what to look for, and what you really want and/or need. So as far as the cost, you're going to have to figure out what kind of product you want first. You really need to look at what your plans are with the house. Whether you want a window that's going to last you 5 years, 10 years, 20 years, 30 years, or 50 years. There really shouldn't be a window that's going to last you under 20 years, so you want to stay away from those, but you know your choices. Once you figure out the time length of what you want your windows for, then it's going to tell you what product you need to be in. If you're in a vinyl product, that's going to be one of your less expensive products. If you're in an aluminum product, those are progressively getting more expensive versus your fiberglass product or Fibrex product, being the Anderson's product. Those are definitely more expensive. Now, none of those are as expensive as your most expensive product, being the aluminum clad, aluminum exterior, wood inside. Usually in Arizona, that's a product that's not going to fit your needs unless you're going with the cabin look or a stained wood look on the inside. That product requires more maintenance. It is more expensive, and that's not the product that I suggest just because of durability alone. Now, each product is going to be different in cost, and each manufacturing company is going to be different in cost. What I would suggest is putting together a budget that you are comfortable with, looking at your whole house for the product that you're thinking is going to best fit your needs. And if it fits within your budget, then boom, you've got your product right there. If it doesn't, now I would suggest sticking with the same product, being the same material, and looking at alternative options for manufacturing companies. Something that is going to be good, but possibly a little bit less expensive, should now fit your needs. If you have to sacrifice, then you can go down to a vinyl product. The vinyl product is not going to be as durable as your fiberglass product or aluminum product, but it may be the product of choice that is going to be perfect for you and your house's needs. Energy efficiency is a question. Every window manufacturing company is going to offer the low E glass with the argon inside the glass. Some manufacturing companies offer different low E's or more energy efficient options. What I highly suggest doing is, if you are concerned about the glare of the glass that it may produce or the hue that it may produce, look into a company like ourselves that has a showroom where you can see a side-by-side comparison. Now, this is an energy efficient glass demo. When it comes to energy efficiency, every window is going to come with a sticker that is from the NFRC. It's all off of the same database. The two main things that you want to look at is your SHGC, being your solar heat gain coefficient, and your U factor. Your U factor for Southern Arizona is not going to be that important, as that is your winter months energy efficiency. It's on a 0.2 to 1.2 scale, and that will tell you how much heat is transferring outward during the winter. The SHGC is the one that you really want to focus on. Now, that one is on a true 0 to 1.0 scale, so whatever number is given, that's as a percentage. Now, the SHGC will tell you how much heat is transferred through the glass for the actual touch of the glass during the summer. Every low E is going to have a different glare to it. Every low E amount of coatings is going to have a different darkness to it. Now, don't worry too much about how much light is transferring through, whether 66 or 72% may scare you. We don't hear that as a negative aspect. Technology's best without pushing the envelope currently is 3 coats low E with argon. Now, I've never heard a negative aspect on the amount of light that comes through. I've only heard positive. It's a soft filtered light. It's going to block out 95% of the UV, and it is easier on the eyes. However, each low E is going to be different in color. If you are concerned or you are particular, I highly suggest coming into our showroom, looking side by side at the different glass to see which glass you're going to be happy with. Now, security may be a question for you or a concern of yours. Each window manufacturing company is going to be very secure. However, the weakest link is going to be the glass itself. What you can go with is laminated glass. That's where two pieces of glass are sandwiched over a piece of plastic, like your car windshield. I'm sure you've seen a car windshield break. It is very difficult to breach through that. Now only the exterior or the inside piece of glass will be the laminated glass, so they will be able to breach through one pane of that, but not the secondary one. Now, laminated glass is going to be the best way to achieve that security aspect of your window. Each manufacturing company is going to offer a laminate that is a different thickness. The thicker the laminate, the more secure it is going to be. Plus how that glass is actually glazed into the window frame, whether it's held in by double-sided stick tape or silicones. Now, if you are real serious about security and there is something behind that glass that you are trying to keep secure and yours, there are a couple different options. You do have impact glass and you do have blast glass. Both of those are extreme and chances are you don't need them. If you do, reach out to us. We can go over what your available options are. Now, last on the list is durability. Again, you still need to figure out what your plan is with the house, how long you need these windows to be good for, and what your plan is in the future. Your most durable product is going to be your fiberglass product, side by side with your Fibrex product being Anderson's product. Your least durable product is going to be a vinyl material. That vinyl material is great for a lot of circumstances. I don't want you to think that the vinyl product is not good for you just because it's a vinyl product. However, it is its softest material. Your aluminum clad product is great. However, it's not nearly as durable for Arizona compared to your fiberglass, Fibrex, or even the aluminum product. Now, the aluminum product has a lot of negative aspects to it, but it is going to be one of your most durable products, along with your more energy efficient being the fiberglass or Fibrex product. So if you're not certain what product's going to be best for you, just give us a call. We'll give you a straight answer. 480-906-4109 or log on at azwindowreplacement.com. We'll see you soon.
For quality